Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and today I'm going to be doing some nails, some Christmas nails, and I can't wait. I have been thinking about these for a while now, and these are my little reindeer nails, and it has like a little candy cane tip with a red accent nail and the little reindeer, and they're so adorable. So I am going to be taking off the set that I have on right now, which I have had on for over a week, and they are really starting to fall off now. But I really love these, and I really like the shape of these nails, and they were so pretty and so feminine. And they are, let's see if this has Born to Flex. And if you remember, I got these in one of my nail hauls that I did not too long ago. And they are just so pretty and, like I said, very feminine, and like they are the imPRESS nails, so I don't have to use any glue with these, and they really lasted. As you can see, they're starting to fall off now, but that's because I've had them on for over a week. So I'm very impressed with my imPRESS nails. So I'm going to take these off, and I am going to put these on, and I am going to do a very quick DIY nail manicure for you. So come along with me. I'm going to tell you that it is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I will let you know when I'm done so you can see how very quickly this all happens. So come along with me. Okay, so to take my nails off, I am just going to use a little one of these cuticle sticks to just easily lift them off.
It's cold outside, and I need your love tonight. So hold me close while stars are shining bright. Baby, let's pass the time, sitting by the fire, pour the wine. Together we'll make a wish. Tell me your desire this Christmas time. Christmas kisses from the one I love. Baby, all I need is you to make this holiday complete. Christmas kisses from the one I love. Baby, don't you know that you are all I ever want? The perfect gift to last for all the year. There's time for friends, but now it's you and me. No need to spend, 'cause what we have is free. Under the mistletoe, I will be waiting, candles glow. A beautiful Christmas tree, like in the movies, let it snow. Christmas kisses from the one I love. Baby, all I need is you to make this holiday complete. Won't you give me Christmas kisses from the one I love? Baby, don't you know that you are all I ever want? Perfect gift to last for all the year. It's gonna be one to remember, the one we'll talk about like no other December, 'cause we've got each other now. We've got each other now. Christmas kisses from the one I love. Baby, all I need is you to make this holiday complete. Won't you give me Christmas kisses from the one I love? Baby, don't you know that you are all I ever want? Perfect gift to last for all the year.
what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my nails out of the package, and I am just going to use the candy cane and the reindeer. So I'm gonna, they have the little alcohol wipe, and I'm gonna use that to just clean my nails a little bit from filing them. I'm just going to give them a nice little wipe here. Okay. And then I'm just going to match up my nails and get them glued on. I love these candy canes. So pretty and so festive. I actually got 2 of these sets because I like them so much. Right, so there's all the nails ready to go. And then all I'm gonna do now is press them on. So they have the little tab of plastic that's covering the glue. Just take that off. And I just slide it on and push it into the cuticle and hold it down for just a few seconds. Probably like, I don't know, a minute or less. You want the warmth of your finger to activate the glue. These are so cute. So how are you guys doing with eating eating well and healthy during this season? I know for me, one of my best girlfriends dropped over a humongous plate of Italian Christmas cookies, and I have just been eating them for lunch. They are so delicious, and tis the season, you know. I guess that's why we have our New Year's resolutions from everything we've eaten in the holiday season, so at least I'm not filling up on candy. I'm really trying to do good, but it's not easy when you have the sweet treats around, and then with everything that's been going on, and we're frustrated that we can't get together with family, so we're hitting the cookie jar. I am anyway. Soon I'll be hitting the eggnog. That's another thing that I really love at this time of year. I haven't bought any yet, but I figure one of these nights when I curl up in front of the TV to watch some Hallmark movies, I have to have some eggnog. Let me know in the comments if you like eggnog and when you drink it, and if you have a special Christmas movie that you watch. Every year I like to watch A Christmas Carol. It's just almost like a tradition for me. I have to do it. It doesn't seem like Christmas if I don't do it. I haven't watched it yet. And today is Saturday, December 12th. So I might have to get on the stick about that pretty soon. But I have been listening to Christmas music. Do you listen to Christmas music? I listen to it in my car, and I listen to it when I'm getting ready in the morning. I have songs that I've saved over the years, and two of my favorites in the recent past are Jen Lilly and Leanne Rimes from their Hallmark movies last year. I think it was last year. Leanne Rimes did one, Christmas Eve. Her name was Eve or something in the movie, and the CD, the album that goes with that is just so good. I love it. And Jen Lilly was the same thing. She did a Christmas album from one of her Hallmark Christmas movies. So far, so good. Love these. And I'm not speeding anything up this time just because I want you to see in real time how long it takes to put these impress nails on. And I love these. All right, they're all on. You can see how quickly the time is now 2:12. So it took me 12 minutes to take off my nails and to put on a new set. So I'm gonna grab my cup of cocoa and come right back to you guys. I have my cocoa with a little bit of caramel over the whipped cream, and if you didn't see my video with my homemade cocoa mix, I'll link it below. It's so delicious. So here are the nails, guys. The little reindeer, the little candy canes. I absolutely love them. I'm very happy with them and happy for them for the season. For the next maybe week, I'll put on another set after this week. I have a lot of different holiday nails that I got from imPRESS, so I will be changing them up quite a bit. I don't know if I'll do a video for each change up, but you never know. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. I hope you'll come back soon, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye for now. just so delicious. And this time I put whipped cream and I put a little bit of caramel over the whipped cream just to give it that little bit more of a of an oomph. Oh, hey, Chiba. It's Chiba.
Don't you know that you are all I ever want?